That's my update. I'm Alan Adam. I'm the chief of the Athabasca Chippewa First Nation. It's been a very emotional few days here, and we're doing our best. It's all we can do. We're at Mother Nature's hands. We'll do everything to protect our community. We want you back home, and we'll bring it. Make sure you guys come home to your homes. You know, I'm a human being like everybody else, and I get emotional too. With that, God bless us all. And I'm Chief Adam, and I'll leave it at that, and maybe give an update maybe on later on this evening. And if anything changes for the worse whatsoever, I'll be back on and give some more updates. Thank you all for the support. Thank you everything, and we from the community, Chief Tuckrow, President Cardinal, the Mayor Bowman is here too with us for a few days. We'll do our best to hold the fort. Thank you.